So somebody came in my shop and brought in this board here that had a controller on it and a power supply that's supposed to control a sauna. It's got several outputs on it that fire up several different heating elements inside of the sauna. And the guy said it had been rained on, and he figured if I just figure out what went wrong, I'd get it going for him. So the first thing I noticed is that the power supply was toast. It had parts on it I couldn't even identify. But when I saw the output on it and I went on eBay, I found a cheap power supply for like 20 bucks. So that was kind of a no-brainer. But I said, I can't tell you whether this other board was damaged or not till we get the power supply. So let's go ahead and order it. Put it in, went out to his house, hooked everything up. Still wasn't working. So I'm kind of looking things over. And I said, well, it seems to me there should be something more on this board here. I said, we've got power coming from the power supply, but we're missing some, what do you call it? It's input signals to tell this thing what to do. And I see this cut wire here, and he says, well, that was always on there. And I see another one, and I said, no, something's wrong here. You can't have a controller board with no intelligence telling it what to do. I said, I think there's something missing here. So we searched and searched, and it turned out they had a serious rat infestation. They did this, literally cut through the wire, and I'm just going to have to splice this for him. And hopefully when I get this all spliced up, everything's going to work. But one thing I was going to add to this video, I recently heard somebody talking about how aggressive rats can become, especially when you feed them that rat poison. I think it's called Defcon. This one gentleman said that what happens is when those rats become dehydrated from the poison, they can get extremely aggressive and start chewing into all kinds of stuff trying to get to water. And so one gentleman said he'd even seen ABS pipe, which is that thick drainage pipe. He's seen that stuff eaten into. So anyway, I just thought I'd make a quick video about that. Going to get this thing all soldered up, go out there and install it, see if it gets it going for him. So anyway, that's it.